A powerful winter storm, already being tracked by meteorologists nationwide, is expected to sweep across a vast stretch of the United States this weekend, bringing a dangerous mix of snow, ice, sleet, and bone-chilling cold from the southern plains to the northeast and mid-Atlantic. The system, named Winter Storm Fern in weather circles, could rival some of the most disruptive winter weather events seen in recent years. Forecasters say the storm will begin forming in the southern plains and northeast Mexico region on Friday, then intensify as it moves east and north through Saturday and Sunday. Snow, sleet, and freezing rain are likely across a broad band of states, with the worst impacts expected from Texas and Oklahoma through the Tennessee Valley and up into the mid-Atlantic and northeast. In many areas, weather warnings and watches are already in effect. The system is expected to linger in parts of the Northeast, including areas near New York City and Washington, D.C., into Sunday night and early Monday. Meteorologists are warning that snowfall and ice accumulations could be significant and highly disruptive. In the Mid-Atlantic and Northeast, totals of 6 to 12 inches of snow or more are possible, especially if the storm tracks slightly north. Some models suggest even higher amounts in parts of Pennsylvania, New Jersey, and New York State. Farther south, areas from central Texas through northern Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama could see freezing rain and sleet, with ice accumulations approaching or exceeding 1 inch in some spot enough to damage power lines and trees and make roads dangerously slick. Across the southeastern states, including Georgia and the Carolinas, light snow and ice are expected, and travel conditions are forecast to be treacherous. The exact mix of precipitation will depend heavily on how far south or north the storm's low-pressure center travels, meaning forecasts still have a degree of uncertainty. This winter system isn't just about snow and ice. Extreme Arctic cold is pushing far south into the continental U.S. An elongated polar vortex and a deep trough in the jet stream are funneling frigid air masses down from the Arctic. This setup is expected to produce sub-zero wind chills and dangerously low temperatures over large regions after the storm moves through. Across the Midwest, Great Lakes, and Northeast, temperatures later in the weekend could fall near or even below -20 degrees to -30 degrees Fahrenheit in isolated spots. Authorities are urging people to prepare now. Airports, highways, and rail systems may face major disruptions, with flight cancellations likely and roads becoming impassable in heavy snow or ice zones. Power outages are a serious concern in areas expecting significant ice, where even a few tenths of an inch of icing can bring down tree limbs and lines. Schools, businesses, and public services could be closed or limited, especially on Sunday and Monday when the storm peaks and cold lingers. In some regions, grocery store shelves have already begun to empty as residents stock up on essentials ahead of the storm's arrival. Experts recommend that individuals and communities stay updated with the latest National Weather Service forecasts. Keep emergency supplies, blankets, food, and water on hand. Avoid non-essential travel when snow or ice is falling. Watch out for power outage risks and have battery-powered lights and chargers ready.